Don't be lazy in spelling out your benefits. Spell your benefits out so you leave nothing to chance. Don't say that your country club is close to the freeway. What does that mean? That it's noisy and smelly? Or that you'll play more golf because it's closer to your work and home and the journey's only 5 minutes instead of 50 minutes? Spell out the benefits. You have a fitness center in your apartment community. Great. What does that mean? We have a fitness center that's open 24 hours, so you'll be able to work out before work or after work and stay in the best shape of your life. Make sure you spell out all your benefits in that kind of detail so there's no doubt what you mean. For example, an instructor in anything often says something like, I have 20 years experience teaching. So what? You know, what does that mean? I have 20 years of experience teaching, so I can quickly and easily pinpoint your mistakes and improve your performance. That's the difference between a wishy-washy benefit and a benefit that's really strong and powerful that will connect with your audience.